Energy-efficient windows and patio doors. Birmingham homes benefit from start with premium home windows Birmingham designed for thermal insulation windows, soundproof window glazing, and condensation-resistant glazing. Homeowners looking for energy-saving window upgrades Birmingham and soundproof replacement windows Birmingham can improve comfort while reducing heat loss and outdoor noise. Residential glazing specialists Birmingham recommend double glazing replacement, triple glazing upgrade, and modern home windows with weatherproof window seals and secure locking systems. For durable performance, toughened safety glass, replacement door panels, and custom window sizes can be matched to residential window replacement needs across Birmingham, the West Midlands, and nearby areas. Residential window replacement. Birmingham projects are strongest when handled by local window replacement Birmingham experts who understand property styles, regulations, and energy targets. House window replacement. Birmingham West Midlands services often include casement window replacement, sash window upgrade, window frame installation, and aluminium window frames or timber window replacement depending on the home. Birmingham homeowners searching for window replacement near Birmingham, bespoke residential glazing Birmingham, or custom windows Birmingham residential can choose uPVC window replacement, modern home windows, and replacement windows and doors Birmingham to improve appearance, value, and security. Patio door installation Birmingham is a major upgrade for homes that need style, light, and easy garden access. Sliding patio doors, French patio doors, and bespoke patio door fitting options provide practical solutions for patio doors Birmingham properties of every size. Birmingham patio door installation services and patio door fitting in Birmingham often include secure patio doors Birmingham homes, double glazed patio doors Birmingham, and energy-efficient patio doors Birmingham for improved insulation. From sliding patio door replacement Birmingham to French doors installation Birmingham, homeowners can choose replacement door panels, toughened safety glass, and weatherproof patio doors Birmingham for lasting performance. Double glazing installers Birmingham deliver better comfort, quieter interiors, and lower energy bills with home glazing services Birmingham UK tailored to each property. Double glazing replacement can be paired with secure locking systems, weatherproof window seals, and condensation-resistant glazing to protect against drafts and moisture. For properties needing stronger performance, triple glazing upgrade and thermal insulation windows are ideal for residential window replacement Birmingham and bespoke residential glazing Birmingham. Whether you need replacement windows and doors Birmingham, aluminium patio doors Birmingham, or soundproof replacement windows Birmingham, professional glazing services in Birmingham and the West Midlands make a measurable difference. uPVC window replacement is one of the most popular choices for homeowners wanting low-maintenance, energy-efficient windows with a clean finish. uPVC window fitters Birmingham can install casement window replacement, sash window upgrade, and custom window sizes for period homes and new builds alike. Residential glazing specialists. Birmingham often recommend uPVC for house window replacement Birmingham West Midlands because it offers long-term durability, weatherproof window seals, secure locking systems, and excellent thermal insulation windows. For those searching for home glazing services, premium home windows Birmingham, or local window replacement Birmingham, uPVC remains a practical and cost-effective solution. Aluminium window frames and aluminium patio doors Birmingham are ideal for homeowners who want slim sightlines, strength, and contemporary design. Modern home windows with aluminium frames complement custom windows Birmingham residential projects and work well with triple glazing upgrade, soundproof window glazing, and energy-efficient windows. Birmingham patio door installation services frequently include aluminium patio doors Birmingham for sleek access, while replacement windows and doors Birmingham can be customized for both modern and traditional properties. Homeowners also benefit from toughened safety glass, weatherproof patio doors Birmingham, and secure patio doors Birmingham homes when choosing aluminium systems for residential window replacement. Timber window replacement and sash window upgrade options remain highly valued for heritage properties and character homes across Birmingham. Homeowners seeking residential window replacement. Birmingham often want to preserve original aesthetics while improving performance with double glazing replacement, thermal insulation windows, and condensation-resistant glazing. Window frame installation can be combined with bespoke residential glazing Birmingham to maintain authenticity while upgrading efficiency. Whether the project involves custom window sizes, replacement door panels, or French patio doors, Birmingham residential glazing specialists can provide timber solutions that align with traditional architecture and modern energy-saving window upgrades. Birmingham sliding patio doors and sliding patio door replacement Birmingham services are perfect for maximizing natural light and creating seamless indoor-outdoor living. Energy-efficient patio doors Birmingham with secure locking systems and weatherproof window seals help protect homes while improving comfort throughout the year. Many patio door replacement Birmingham customers choose double-glazed patio doors Birmingham or custom windows Birmingham residential to match existing architecture and enhance curb appeal. For patio doors Birmingham properties, secure patio doors Birmingham homes and replacement door panels can be installed as part of a complete home glazing services package with trusted door and window installers Birmingham. French patio doors and French doors installation Birmingham offer timeless style, excellent ventilation, and easy access to gardens, patios, and conservatories. Patio door installation Birmingham specialists can fit bespoke patio door fitting solutions that suit both compact homes and larger family properties across Birmingham and the West Midlands. With toughened safety glass, double glazing replacement, and energy-efficient patio doors Birmingham, these doors combine elegance with performance. Homeowners looking for patio door replacement Birmingham patio door installation services, or double-glazed patio doors Birmingham can rely on residential glazing specialists Birmingham for accurate fitting and secure, weatherproof results. For patio doors Birmingham, homeowners looking for a stylish and durable upgrade can benefit from sliding patio doors, French patio doors, and bespoke patio door fitting that improve access, natural light, and property value. Energy-efficient patio doors Birmingham and double-glazed patio doors Birmingham help reduce heat loss, while weatherproof patio doors Birmingham and secure patio doors Birmingham homes add year-round peace of mind. Patio door installation, patio door replacement Birmingham, and sliding patio door replacement Birmingham are ideal for modern homes seeking smooth operation, premium finishes, and replacement door panels that match existing architecture across Birmingham, UK and the West Midlands. Residential window replacement Birmingham and house window replacement Birmingham West Midlands deliver a fast way to improve comfort, appearance, and insulation in local homes. Energy-efficient windows, uPVC window replacement, aluminium window frames, and timber window replacement all support better thermal insulation windows, condensation-resistant glazing, and weatherproof window seals. Whether you need casement window replacement, sash window upgrade, or custom window sizes, local window replacement Birmingham and custom windows Birmingham residential services help create modern home windows that suit both traditional and contemporary properties. Double glazing replacement, triple glazing upgrade, and soundproof window glazing are essential for better performance in busy urban areas such as Birmingham. Soundproof replacement windows Birmingham and condensation-resistant glazing reduce external noise and moisture issues, while toughened safety glass and secure locking systems provide added protection for family homes. Replacement windows and doors Birmingham, home glazing services Birmingham, UK, and bespoke residential glazing Birmingham are popular choices for improving comfort, safety, and energy-saving window upgrades Birmingham in properties throughout the city. Double glazing installers Birmingham and door and window installers Birmingham provide complete solutions for homeowners seeking residential glazing specialists Birmingham with local expertise. From window frame installation to glass panel replacement, these services cover everything from damaged panes to full replacement windows and doors Birmingham installations. uPVC window fitters Birmingham, aluminium patio doors Birmingham, and window replacement near Birmingham options make it easy to choose durable, low-maintenance products designed for long-term performance and efficient home glazing services. Birmingham patio door installation services and patio door fitting in Birmingham are ideal for homeowners wanting a seamless upgrade with secure locking systems, toughened safety glass, and stylish replacement door panels. French doors installation Birmingham and aluminium patio doors. Birmingham suit both classic and modern properties, while residential glazing specialists Birmingham can recommend premium home windows Birmingham for improved insulation and curb appeal. For secure, efficient, and attractive upgrades, residential window replacement Birmingham remains one of the most effective ways to enhance a home in Birmingham, the West Midlands, and surrounding local areas.